Poor baby.
Poor Riven. You have the hiccups again.
Oh no.
For like the third time today.
Good job. Oh.